Okay, so today we're going to be wrapping the 2018 and up Golf R front emblem. They usually have a sensor inside, so this shouldn't really make any difference on the sensor part. I had it on my vehicle for over a year, almost a year, and still haven't had a problem, so yeah. Okay, so now you just want to open the hood, as we have to use either a flathead screwdriver or some kind of long object so we can get behind the emblem and push out one of the plastic clips. As you can see where I'm putting my screwdriver in, the screwdriver I have is a flathead. The design of this front emblem is not great. It's a little bit pain in the butt to remove, but once you get the clip out by pushing it with the screwdriver, your next step will be a little bit easier. So for the bottom clips, you just want to wiggle it up, not forward, because there are two hooks that are holding onto the plastic trim, so you want to pull it up. Yeah, you see the sensor right there? So one of the reasons why the vinyl wrap wasn't working as well as I thought it was going to be was because we had the garage door open. At this time, the weather was not the best. Weather was probably about 1 degree Celsius. So I will put the Fahrenheit conversion on the screen. But after that, we did close the garage door, which helped the vinyl to stay a little bit warmer and be able to conform a little bit easier. Has some scratches on it from this wrapping, the leftover, but I think it should be okay. Now just clean the edges. The sensor part. Just wipe it gently. There. Might as well clean it while you have it off. Okay, then this piece, bottom goes in first. Just like that, it is done. And this is how it comes out. With better light, you can still actually see the Volkswagen logo on it. So that is the end of the install.